Stop scrolling, because what I'm about to say might offend you, but it could also change your financial life forever. The real reason rich people stay rich isn't luck, talent, or even hard work. It's that they play a completely different game than you, and no one ever taught you the rules. From a young age, most people are trained to follow a predictable path. Go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, and hope one day you'll be financially secure. Sounds logical, right? But here's the brutal truth. This system was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to make you predictable. Rich people understand something early on that most never realize. Income alone doesn't create wealth. Ownership does. While the average person works for money, rich people make money work for them. They don't just earn, they invest, they acquire assets, and they build systems that generate income whether they're working or not. And here's where the gap really starts to grow. When you get paid, what do? Bills, expenses, maybe a little saving if you're disciplined. But rich people treat money differently. They pay themselves first, not by spending, but by investing. Before lifestyle, before comfort, before anything else, a portion of their income is redirected into assets that grow over time. Stocks, businesses, real estate, these are not luxuries to them, they are necessities. Now here's something even more uncomfortable. Rich people avoid liabilities that look like assets. The average person buys things to look rich: cars, gadgets, expensive clothes, often on credit. But the wealthy? They delay gratification. They focus on acquiring things that put money into their pockets, not take it out. That's why someone earning $50,000 can become wealthy over time, while someone earning $200,000 can still stay broke. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you keep and how you use it. Another key difference is how risk is viewed. You've probably been told to play it safe, avoid risk, and stick to stability. But rich people know that playing it too safe is actually the biggest risk of all. Inflation slowly eats your savings, and staying comfortable keeps you stuck. Instead, they take calculated risks. Not reckless moves, but educated decisions where the upside far outweighs the downside. They invest in opportunities, learn from failures, and keep moving forward while others stay frozen. And then there's the mindset shift that changes everything. Poor and middle-class thinking focuses on earning more to solve problems. Rich thinking focuses on building systems so problems don't come back. Instead of asking, "How can I make more money this month?" they ask, "How can I build something that pays me every month?" That one question alone separates the two worlds. But here's the part no one likes to hear. You might be the reason you're not moving forward. Not because you're not capable, but because you've been conditioned to think small. Fear of losing money, fear of failure, fear of stepping outside your comfort zone. These are the invisible chains holding you back. Rich people aren't fearless, they just act despite fear. They understand that staying where they are is more dangerous than trying something new. So what can you do starting today? First, shift your focus from income to assets. Even if it's small, start investing consistently. Second, question every expense. Ask yourself if it's making you richer or just looking richer. Third, educate yourself relentlessly. Financial knowledge is one of the few advantages anyone can build, regardless of where they start. And finally, start thinking long-term. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent, intentional decisions over years. The difference between you and someone wealthy isn't opportunity, it's awareness and action. Once you see the game clearly, you can't unsee it. And the moment you start playing by the right rules, everything begins to change.